So I don't know if you guys remember a few years ago, well, not a few years, maybe 2 years ago, I cut the back of her hair completely off. Yeah, I cut this off, and this is how it has regrown so far. Yeah, the front sections that I did not cut is still pretty long. That actually goes all the way down to the middle of her back, almost to above like her tailbone area. But this section is still, you know, catching up. This is just like in the middle of her like little shoulder blade. So eventually I do want to start trimming the front pieces to match this. I'm actually tempted to just cut it and make it even with this, but she doesn't want that. Her dad doesn't want that either. So we're gonna let this continue to grow and catch up with the front, and I'll continue to do like regular trims on the front section and not the back, because the back is pretty blunt and healthy. So I wanted to show you guys this section in the back again. I actually want to do a growth challenge with her hair. I'm going to be using the oil that I made in the video. I'll post it up in the cards. I'll be using that oil on her hair 3 times a week, and I'll be monitoring how much length she gains within a month. So for now, let's do a quick length check. And it's not necessarily for the front parts of her hair, just for the back section that I had to cut off a while ago. So the hair lands right here in the middle of her back. If you go straight across, it's like a little bit below the crease of her armpit. I wish I had a measuring tape, like a tape measure, but I do not. So this is where, just a sec, baby. So this is where her hair is now, and hopefully we can get it to catch up with the hair in the front. So keep an eye out if you want to see how this oil works for hair growth. We'll be doing a little experiment on her hair. Because yeah, I needed to hurry up, you know, and catch up with the rest of her hair.
watch their routine. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!